Hello everyone. Welcome to another video on your channel. In this video, we'll learn how to easily create a simple color picker using CSharp. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Open Visual Studio and create a new project. Go to the toolbox and add an H scroll bar to the form. Now, open the Properties panel and set the maximum value to 264. Next, copy this element and place it where needed. Select each one and rename them as you like. Now, go back to the toolbox, add a label to the form, and follow the process. Again, go to the toolbox, add a panel to the form, and customize it. This panel will be used to display the selected color. Now, select each H scroll bar, go to the Events section, and double-click on Value Change to generate the event handler. Now, follow the coding process. That's it. A simple and effective color picker in C#. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us grow and create more content for you. See you in the next video.